Alrighty, well here's a new lawn tractor we found. Well, Xander found. With Rusty Mike at work on the YouTube there. And he said, or they found it off the side of the road. It had a sign on it, said for free. Pulled over, talked to the guy, and picked it up. It had a pretty killed flat back tire, and the front tires were pretty killed, and the body works pretty killed, and kind of doesn't run very good, and the tranny's kind of loud, but it was free, so you know, you can't complain too much, right? It runs, it drives, you know, shifts gears, you know, it's good. It's got no battery, you can see the terminals hanging out there, but we're going to do a little bit of mudding in some tiny little mud ruts. So let's see how she goes. Oh, look at that power! Oh, acceleration! Hit this mud puddle. Oh, and it's just spinning. It's stuck. Oh. And he's stuck. First little hole and he's stuck. A little bit stuck. Alright. And it's out. No, that was a deep hole. Pretty mucky hole. And here's Xander on the tractor. Tranny's pretty loud. Now he's got some speed. Nope. It's stuck. Xander's all covered in mud now. Jeez. Now you're stuck. Nope. Well, there you go. There's some mudding in the lawn tractor. It's got some turf savers on it, so you know, not very good mud tires, and we haven't done anything to it. We just took the deck off, and she goes. So, Xander got muddy, Finn got a little muddy, so it's all good. But you know, if you like what you see and you want to see more of our lawn tractor, and as we process through it, and hopefully Xander doesn't hit this truck here. Let's see if he can make it this time. Seemingly not. Well, for that note, if you like what you see, bring in, rate, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.